Panguva ino zvinozobuda pachena kuti nyika yeZimbabwe upenyu hwakuvava segavakava after kuwanikwa kunzi mapuraises emutengo emafuta atoti fuel yakakwira. Aiwa, yakakwira at a level iri kushamisa vanhu, and people they are afraid kuti mapuraises awa angakwanisa kuramba achikwira again. Kuri kuonekwa kunzi Zimbabwe iri kuuya panguva inoi ichiti it's because of the wars and conflict iri kuitika kuMiddle East, but people are surprised kuti why are the prices the increase in prices ari kungoitika muZimbabwe chete, but in our neighboring countries we are not seeing the same. Saka pina mashuka kuda nyuko panguva ino wa subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timida Mchamisa News Channel anoposta this analysis ma changes in prices ma certain countries aselectwa ari muSADC. Anoonekwa kunzi the percentage change amuri kuona at the end kuri kuonekwa kunzi Zimbabwe is leading, kuchionekwa kunzi prices of fuel they increased by 39.1%, but katarisa nyika dzakaita sana Zambia yaka-increase ne plus or minus 6%, Tanzania plus or minus 4%, Mozambique plus or minus 4%, South Africa plus or minus 2%, Botswana 0%, Namibia plus or minus 3%, but Zimbabwe is positive 39%. Chamisa News Channel indivyoenda mbele ichiti corruption makes Zimbabwe feel expensive. The fuel pricing structure in Zimbabwe is such a scandal. Fuel prices in Zimbabwe are not just about oil, they are about policy choice, government accountability and credibility, market structure and governance efficiency. Until these are addressed together, prices will remain high. There is no reason to have such high taxes on Zimbabwe, the highest in the region. We will remove all those dodgy taxes in order to caution citizens. Only an accountable and credible citizens government can deliver this, not to keep three. Doma developments aripo mu Zimbabwe nakomeza kushemedza fungo imoto dipa mzoro pechitiko ichi. Don't subscribe or like, catch it on the bell icon.